Understanding strong wind, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, strong wind. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these kinds of phrases is key to improving your English. So, let's get started. Strong wind refers to a condition in the weather where the wind is blowing with a lot of force. When we say, the wind is strong, we're talking about a situation where the wind is more powerful than a gentle breeze. It's important to understand this phrase as it's commonly used in weather forecasts and daily conversations. In this section, we'll explore how strong wind can be used in different contexts. 1. Weather reports. Tomorrow's forecast predicts strong winds in the coastal areas. 2. Describing feelings. I could barely walk against the strong wind. 3. Metaphorical usage. Sometimes, strong wind can be used metaphorically, like in, we need a strong wind of change in our organization. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for strong wind include gale, a very strong wind; high wind, similar to strong wind but often used in formal contexts; blustery conditions, describes weather with gusts of strong wind. While we're not focusing on phonetics, it's still important to know how to pronounce this phrase correctly. Repeat after me, strong wind. Notice the stress is on the first word, strong. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of strong wind for you. Understanding such phrases will definitely enhance your English skills, especially when talking about the weather or describing situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using strong wind in your conversations. Stay tuned for more English learning content.